the A button to play. Let's roll! Wow, you earned a new badge. Pawsome! I'll pause on deck. Pups, we've got rescue missions waiting. Pups, we've got a new mission. Save the stinky monkeys. Use the left stick to move between missions and press the A button to play. Paw Patrol, to the lookout. I just heard from Carlos in the jungle. A couple of monkeys were playing with a stinky stench blossom and they got covered in stinky slime. We have to help them get rid of that stink. Tracker can help us find the monkeys using his super hearing. Then Marshall can use his water cannons to give those stinky monkeys a bath. Zuma can help Tracker get across the water with his hovercraft. Paw Patrol, to the Air Patroller. Let's help those monkeys get rid of the stink. We need to find the monkeys that were playing with stench blossom so Marshall can give them a bath with his water cannons. Help Tracker follow the path and find the way using his super hearing. Swing across there using his cables. Help Tracker swing across the gap using his cables by pressing the X button. Awesome! Now we can keep looking for those stinky monkeys. Find all the pup treats that you can. There's a golden paw print close by. You got the golden paw print. Collect all of the golden paw prints that you find. To pull the rope to the left, move the left stick. Go quickly. You have to get through the path before it closes. Collect all the pup treats you find to earn Pup Treat Award. Great job! We're almost there! There's a maze here! Tracker can use his super hearing to follow the sound trail of the monkeys to the end of the maze. Use Tracker's super hearing by pressing the B button. All right, here we go. Tracker can use his amazing hearing to find his way through the maze. Press the A button to help him. That's it. Now follow the sound trail to find the exit to the maze. You found a golden paw print. Remember, you can help Tracker hear the way by pressing the A button. Remember, you can help Tracker hear the way by pressing the A button. Perfect! You help Tracker to get through the maze and find the path to the monkeys. You got the pup treats! The stinky monkeys are around here somewhere. Keep moving with Tracker so he can find the path to the monkeys. Tracker needs to get across the water. We need Zuma to use his hovercraft. Which pup ability should you use? All right, now we can keep moving. Find and collect all the pup treats that you can. Pick the pup ability that you need to use. Way to go! There's a golden paw print nearby. A golden paw print. You got it. See if you can find them all. Great! You helped Tracker pick up the monkey's trail with his super hearing. Now Marshall needs to reach them and use his water cannons to give them a bath. Marshall! We're about halfway to the end. Collect all the pup treats in a mission to earn special pup treat awards. Choose the pup ability that will help you to keep moving. You did it! Keep collecting pup treats whenever you find them. Find all the pup treats that you can. I'm detecting a golden paw print somewhere nearby. You found a golden paw print. Collect all of the golden paw prints that you find.
that you can. Pick the pub ability that you should use. Great job! To pull the rope to the left, move the left stick. Go quickly. You have to get through the path before it closes. Keep collecting pup treats whenever you find them. Great job! We're almost there. There's a golden paw print close by. A golden paw print. You got it. You collected all of the pup treats on this rescue mission. Pick the pup ability that you need to use. Awesome! Aim the water stream by moving the left stick. That's great! Almost there. Keep going. Perfect! You did it! All the stinky slime. Great job, Paw Patrol! For collecting so many pup treats, you earned a platinum pup treat. You got all of the golden paw prints. Unlock the picture for this rescue mission. You can see the pictures again by highlighting the rescue mission and pressing the Y button. Pups, we've got a new mission. Rescue Carlos in the jungle. Use the left stick to move between missions and press the A button to play.